Hey y'all, this is Kelly and welcome back to our channel. All right, so let's just get right to it. This week I am going to be restoring a 12-month-old wig that I purchased from West Kissed Hair. Now this is 24 inches long, it's 99J, and it is a lace front wig. And when I purchased it, it was straight, but I'm just giving you guys an angle or different angles to see the condition that this wig is currently in right now. So I am going to go ahead and shampoo, condition, and detangle this wig. Of course, I'm going to be using my Garnier Fructis products, which is their shampoo and conditioner. Now, I did run out of the conditioner, so I did just use the Walmart brand that I already had, but it still got the job done either way. Okay, so this is where I knew things was getting ready to go down a whole nother road. Y'all, at the top of this wig, it was so tangled. Like, I don't understand why it was so tangled at the top. Granted, I did not prepare this wig to be in storage for a few months because I did stop wearing this wig for quite some time because I had purchased another wig. But even still, this has never happened to me before. So I really had to end up going off camera and taking my time just to kind of get this figured out, because it really was going to take a lot of time and patience at this point, which I really didn't have the time for at the moment. So I did let the conditioner sit for a while to try to see if that would help with the tangling and go back in with my brush, but that didn't work out. I also tried putting inside a plastic bag in the microwave and letting it warm up for like 30 seconds to a minute. That just didn't work. Again, it just took time and patience, but I would highly recommend purchasing some type of detangler. Apparently they do have products that can help with that. So if you ever run into this situation, don't force the comb or whatever tool you're using. Just go and get the proper detangler and just take your time. Then that way you don't damage your wig, like I'm about to show you guys in just a moment. All right, so this is the wig. It has been washed, it has been conditioned. I know it looks a little thin there, but again, it is wet. And then this is how the wig looks after allowing it to air dry overnight. As you can see, the color is still very vibrant, and it does look much full, a little bit more full now that it's no longer wet. Now, I was wearing this wig lastly like in layers in the front. I did have like little bangs, so that's why you kind of see that layer look going on. Yeah, so this is what I ended up doing. I put a hole into the wig, so that's why I said don't force it if you are trying to untangle it. I simply got some invisible thread and a needle, just like, you know, you're going to regularly sew with, and then that way I can go ahead and sew the hole. Now, this is the first time I have ever had to do this, but again, I'm trying to restore the wig, so I did do a little research and I said, well, what the heck? So we're going to just go ahead and sew that hole with the invisible thread and see how it goes. All right, so I'm all done threading that hole. Just cleaning it up a little bit here with my little scissors for any little hairs that are sticking out, as well as thread. And that's pretty much it, guys. So we'll see. Hopefully this doesn't interfere with me putting the wig on when that time comes. All right, so I am just going to section off piece by piece, working my way from the back to the front. Again, I am using this is actually from Walmart. I believe it's called Con Air, but it gives like the beach wave look. This is one of my favorite curling irons. So I'll definitely leave a link in the description box. And if I can find a picture of it, I'll include that as well. And in order to get a nice curl, I do recommend at least holding it for about maybe 10 to 15 seconds, making sure that you are at the highest setting on the curling iron. Done with the first row. Just gonna grab my hold-in spray. Make sure you spray that after every row as well. And this is pretty much, the wig is almost completely curled. I just have the top to do, but it is looking very, very beautiful. Again, I just love the color, and I love how much the curl takes with this wig as well. So now I am just going to go ahead and finish off the top. Normally I do like to put my wigs on when I get to the front and just curl it while it's on my head. But since I already started here, I'm just going to go ahead and finish curling it on the mannequin head. And we are all done. Oh my God, just look how beautiful that color is. Look how the curls came out so nice. I just absolutely love it. And here we go. I have put her on my head. I was able to finish curling in the front. And look, it just still has some body to it, even though it is a 12-month-old wig, but I still really love it. One thing I will say, I prefer now to just wear it more curly versus straight, because it does have more of a little kinky texture to it. And again, I think it kind of just has to do with me not taking care of it properly. But nevertheless, I love how this wig came out. You can definitely restore your wig, so guys, make sure you try it out.